Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain how to check the installed version of React Native on your system. We are using React Native command in our React Native project development. So it is better to understand which version of React Native is used in our system. We have a command to get the current React Native version is installed in your system. I will read the command for you. nbx react hyphen native space hyphen hyphen version. When we execute this command on our VS Code terminal, it will display the current React Native version. So let us type nbx react hyphen native space hyphen hyphen version. Enter. Let us wait. Yes, my React Native version is 6.4.0. So by executing this command npx react hyphen native space hyphen hyphen version, you can identify which version is installed on your system, which React Native version is installed on your system. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.